Yes.
Yashwant, you may share the screen.
Yashwant, you are being made host. You can share.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yes, Deepika.
Yes, sir. Impact of the solution on laborers. Solar cotton picker is mostly adaptable for the areas where there is low electricity because it doesn't need any electric charges or power. It's working. It is being worked with the solar, and it is also adaptable for the areas where there is shortage of laborers. Laborers can work with ease and without causing any harm to their hands. They can finish work in less time. Some laborers might lose their occupation because it requires very less number of laborers as the work finishes very fast. Now let's conclude the presentation and will be continued by Yashwant.
At the end, on behalf of my team, I would like to thank farmers for never stopping. The recent outbreak of COVID-19 is putting our families, communities, and countries under uncommon pressure, where the farmers are standing strong in the middle of this storm. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir and ma'am. Thank you for the friends too. If you are having any doubt, we are here to solve that.
Any questions from the audience? Yeah, Sai Krishna, who is the other person today absent? Who is that person?
401 Hemant, ma'am.
Yeah, audience, please respond. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask. The chance is given, speak out.
Yes, we are here to clarify your doubts, my dear friends. You may ask any question if you are having.
Remaining teams, please ask questions. If you have questions, you can ask. Any doubts also, you can. If you have, you can ask. Or if you can suggest any improvements, even that also you can share with your team, your co-teammates. Okay, I hope you are all there. Okay, Sai Krishna, go to first slide. Yashwant, go to first slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, keep it full screen. Yeah, okay, this is the first slide. So team one, roll numbers, everything is okay. Okay, go to second slide. Second slide.
Yes, sir. It is second.
Go to the first slide. First slide, CMR College, you have shown something.
Okay.
CMR College Engineering and Technology. Okay. NAC accredited is now it is A plus, it is not A, it is A plus.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next. Second, next. Content, okay, next. So you have taken these two pictures from maybe internet.
Yeah, sir. There has been a research paper on this whole thing,
okay.
so I've taken from that.
Okay, then you have to give courtesy. You have to refer that paper. So at the bottom, you can write the paper taken from something, their author
Yeah,
or number. Okay. Yeah, next slide. Next. Even this also, this diagram. this picture where you have taken. Go back. Even you have to quote from where you have taken it. Okay,
Yeah, okay,
courtesy. Then why
okay.
you have not shown something related to papers? Papers in the sense, at least you might have gone through 4 to 5 journal papers,
Yeah,
and
sir.
that you might have kept it in the references at the last. You might have done that because just now I have browsed some of the papers on cotton picking. So many papers are there. Okay, so
Yes,
which
sir.
4 or which 5 papers you have taken it, we do not know, but many things are there. Okay, go ahead. So last reference, you make an addition of references. So at least you can
Okay, sir.
keep
Yeah, sir.
each 2
I'll do
papers,
it.
10 papers you can keep. Because in that paper, the mechanism is also been shown, okay, how it is being
Yeah, sir.
adapted in other countries. Yeah, go, next. Okay, next. Next, next, next. Continue, continue. Next slide. Next. Okay.
That's it.
So with regards to your slides, as far as technical aspects are concerned, apart from advantages, disadvantages of manual picking or mechanized picking, we have come across 2 things. One is using electricity, okay, how
Yes,
picking
sir.
is being done, and using solar, how cotton picking is being done. So Sai Krishna was referring to his own village, stating that their village maybe or the surrounding place is cultivating cotton. Is that right, Sai Krishna?
Yes, sir. Even myself, I am also cultivating cotton, sir.
Okay, you are also okay. Very good. Then you will be knowing in depth about the things what are being used and the difficulties faced. I hope you have put all those difficulties in this PPT. That's
Yes,
well
sir.
and good.
Yes, sir.
First of all, I would like to appreciate everybody. Yashwant, Deepika, Sai Krishna, Pranati. Maybe Hemant is not there. Maybe his contribution is also there, I think. Okay. But his presence would have been there. It would have been really excellent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your intentions and your ideas, they are well focused. But I would like to ask a question. Can you work out on this cotton picking? Can you make it very simple thing? Okay, because electricity and solar, you can use those 2 techniques also, or else any other simple method you can provide. Simple method you can provide for picking of cotton. No, it's just an option. We are not imposing on it on you. Can you think about it and you can make it as can you make it as an SIP project? If it is, you can think about it. Okay, if you are really interested to work on it, to maybe making a simpler device. Okay, it can be maybe dribbling of cotton seed or picking of cotton seed or whatever it may be. Did you understand?
Sir, what I feel is,
Yeah,
excuse
sir.
me, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What I feel is we are having air blowers, sir. Nowadays we are going through them. So if we able to design a air blower which sucks the cotton from the plant to inside the bag, it may be more efficient. I feel because electricity, solar, this may be again. I mean, energy consuming or energy
Yeah.
consuming, etc. I
Yeah.
feel that air blowers which can suck the cotton from the plant to the backside into the sack, so it may be efficient. I feel that.
Uh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just like
maybe
sir, I want to
Double
mention one more
gasoline.
point.
yeah.
Yeah, actually, sir, Sai Krishna said a nice idea, but there is already a method. We presented gasoline method. The
Yeah,
same thing gasoline method does. So we need to work on something more efficient than gasoline, according to Sai
yeah.
Krishna.
Yeah, according to Ajay
Yeah.
sir, whatever he said, your own interest. If you want to go in deep, providing a better solution compared to the existing methods and the cost of the existing methods, if you provide any simple method, related to this cotton picking, you can. Otherwise, if you are own interest, discuss with your team, discuss with your teammates. If you want to do this one, you can continue with our support also. Otherwise, if you want to go for another project or any other creative method related to the agriculture, you can also. Okay, but the performance is very good, very initial team, very high potential. I appreciate each and every candidate, Harshit,
Yes,
Deepika, Sai
yes.
Krishna, and Pranit. This initiation was very important for the point of students. Yeah, so
One
don't
more
think
thing
that.
is,
Yeah.
ma'am, can I speak? One more
Yes.
thing is, Sai Krishna or Yashwant or Deepika, your cost also should be taken into consideration. Okay,
Yes.
cost aspect should be minimal, right? Now, it is not that if you go about investing 10,000 and bringing a product, that is not required. As a student, simple logical things, just like how Palasrijana, you are aware of Palasrijana, how they are doing it, right? The simple
Yes.
things, simple concepts of simple technique. So here, no interdisciplinary knowledge is required. If it is purely mechanical, that's well and good. If it's simple thing, that's well and good. Okay, so
Yes,
you
sir.
can work on it. It's up to you. Very well, well
Sir,
performed, everybody. Yeah, Deepika.
Yeah,
Sir, Deepika
Deepika.
wants to say something, sir.
and yeah. Sir, like cutting player, there is an idea, sir, without using any electricity or solar, like cutting player we can use and the head of the cutting player can be changed.
Okay, cutting player.
Means what? Do
Okay,
you want to cut the cotton or picking up it? For picking up the cotton.
Well, like yeah, ma'am, just to pick the fluffy part of the cotton, just we need to change the head of the cutting player, and it would be
What?
okay, it's
nice.
up to you. Work on it and you can get back to us. Not a problem.
Yeah, you can observe the cases, situations in the communities nowadays where we are. Mainly, our intention is to focus on the community issues. Okay, either the community may be agriculture community, student community, or today's during this pandemic situation. If you want to provide anything which supports the community. See, nowadays, when you go for any measurement like your heart rate or anything, the equipments are very costly. Ordinary people cannot afford that much of thing for doing any testing like identifying the heart rate, echo rate, like that. So, in order to uh, give some good opportunity or for the development of the community, you can go for that devices also. We are not telling you to stick it to only this one. So many things are there. That's why I see five people are your team consists of 5 members. Each and every brain will think differently. Yes or no? So you sit together, your 5 different innovative ideas, your 5 different innovative minds sit together and do the research and go for the references in the journals also. Okay, you take one area, which side you want to go, either agriculture or anything. First, you decide the area. In that area, you can go for the research and you can find the better solutions. Okay, but the work done is very good.
So
Good
focus on
teamwork.
literature survey. Focus on
Yeah,
literature
literature.
survey.
Mm.
What all existing models are there? Can you use those existing models to make a new model, right? So if you do it, then definitely we can propose it for patenting. Okay,
Yeah,
but cost should be minimal. That is important.
yeah.
Don't take extra
One
time.
thing I want to tell your seniors, those who are there in the third year now, ECU students, a few projects which are went for the patent filing also. Okay, so think in such a manner that your idea or your creative thing can go for patent filing or any publishing in the conference. Your idea, total the system, whatever the you do the documentation, everything, it has to be go either in a form of a publishing in a journal, or it must be a patent, or it must be a startup. That level, you fix that goal in such a way that, and you start working on it. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, sir. We
Yes,
can.
Right, right. Thank you, team one, for your
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
thank you for your nice
Thank you,
presentation.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, right. But you have to be
thank you
there
for the
because
opportunity, sir and ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. But you have to be there such that you can look into what others are presenting.
Yeah,
You can
feedback
make
you
any,
have.
yeah, you can suggest anything you can suggest. Right, ma'am?
Team
Made
2,
you host, sir.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Team
who
2, ma'am?
is team 2? Team 2
Yes, ma'am.
people. Yeah. Please turn on your videos. Srija, Nikhil,
Okay, ma'am.
all are present, Srija, in your team.
I will give post
No,
option to
ma'am.
the next team.
One person is absent.
Yes, ma'am. 1% is she was.
Okay. To whom we have to make post? Nikhil or
Nikhil, ma'am. 426, ma'am.
420.
yeah. Yeah. What is the name of your case study?
Building a flood resistant house, ma'am.
Okay.
426.
418. Rename. Write your name also. 418. Somnath is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Srija.
For Nikhil,
Sir, you disabled part.
no, you. I will make you host. You just off your video.
Okay, sir.
How many members are there in your team? Somnath.
6 members, ma'am.
How many are absent today?
One
member.
One, madam. Srivatsa.
What is his name? Sri Vastav.
Yes, madam.
Sri Vastav is absent. Nikhil is present. Somnath is present. Srija is present. What about the remaining person? So Sri Vastav is absent. Who is other person? Rahul.
Rahul and
Rahul.
Siddharth, ma'am, 413.
413 Siddharth. Is Siddharth the video is on or not?
Ma'am, I have logged in my system, ma'am. Webcam is not working.
Okay. Start.
Sir, you didn't get till now. sir.
Wait. 4. What is your number?
26.
Yes, Nikhil. You are the host now.
Srija, you can continue.
Wait,
Good morning.
we'll note down your numbers. Just a minute. 403, 413, 418, 426, 480, 406. 6. How many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. 6 students. Okay, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Our case study is to design a flood resistant. The call is floods are a natural calamity. Due to heavy rain, tsunami, and earthquake, and the physical structure of the roads and buildings will also stop the water from finding its way to the sea. When water will not find its way to the sea, floods will occur. So our case study is about building a flood-resistant house for the poor, which are the people who affect very much by flood. So here are the two people in our case study. Ashir and Mayuri. These two people have seen the capital city of India, Maharashtra, which is in tsunami in 2002. So these two people have established an idea of building flood resistant house for the poor. They thought that building flood resistant house which will allow the water to find its way to the sea. The physical structure of the house will definitely define blocking of water. So they thought of building a house which will allow the water to easily go when during the heavy rainfall. So Ashir and Mayuri have graduated from an architect institute. So they will be having a well idea about building houses. So they should work with building these houses which will help the poor people to survive during the flood. And the solution deals with building a house which will allow the water and the people can survive during the flood, and the solution will be explained by Siddharth. Thank you.
And one of the stakeholder is Kalpit Asher, and he's an architect and an urbanist based in Mumbai. He graduated with BTech in architecture with gold medal in 2005. In 2005 from Kerala Raheja Institute for Architecture and Environmental Studies in Mumbai. He completed his master's education in digital tectonics, self-sufficient habitats, and emergent territories from Institute of Advanced Architecture of Catalonia, and he is director of Made in Mumbai. He graduated, and he completed his job in other countries, and he is from Mumbai. His locality is from Mumbai. By seeing his local problems, he came up with a new company that is named as Made in Mumbai, and he has won the Tata Endowment, Kamala Raheja Foundation, and Rotary Club awards, and he worked with various national and international projects. And next is explained by teammate Rahul.
Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. Another stakeholder is Mayuri Sisodia. Is an architect and urban designer based in Mumbai. She also graduated with B Architecture in 2006 from Kamala Rajendra Institute from Architecture and Environmental Studies in Mumbai. She completed her master's education in urban design for Battle School of Architecture, University College in London. She was won prestigious Charles Vaughan India Trust Award for Arts in 2010. She was also winner of a JNT Tata Endowment and Kamala Raja Foundation Awards, and she is also director at Mumbai, Made in Mumbai. And next points was explained by Rahul.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. And the description about the innovation is that the culprit and Mayuri come up with a solution that if the flood water comes into the house should resist the water, and the people should save from the flood water. They come up with a prototype that consists of 3 houses built together in this 75 square meters each. When the flood water enters in the house, the 20% of the house will covered with water, and they can sustain the house above the in upper areas of the house. House consists of a very small and less stores in the bottom area rooms will be allocated at the first floor or second floor. If they plan that if three families could accommodate together, then the cost of the house can be more less. The estimated cost that for each family, for only single family, it takes $65, means 4,84,000. If three come together, three families come together, they can down the price to $4,500. It is nearly 3,35,000. So for poor, they can accommodate the buildings rather than RCC. They can also make the building by small bricks or bamboo sticks. The houses will be built by community itself by some load-bearing constructions like local materials. They can also make them with bamboo or terracotta. The house can also have roofs, shelves, and vegetable gardens. They can also give some space for a small shop. So this house can give a separate income, and also they can sustain in the floods also. The impact on the society will be explained by Rahul.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. The impact of the society. Poor peoples are the one who gets the affected the most due to the floods, and the building flood resistance can it floods will also causes the spread of viral infections. So building floods resistance house will reducing the causes of spreading some different viral infections or will come on from the water. We can prevent by construction of this house. Next slide. Next slide, Nikhil. And we come the other flood resistance method to control the water level in the dams and the build barriers, flood walls, and embankments, and after the rivers channels.
IoT-based flood monitoring system is that when the flood water level in the river increases, it sends the message of the water level and also the how much it takes time to reach to our house locality. So this is the existing model for the flood resisting. And we have references from Google and from a video from YouTube. Sir, completed, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for.
Hello.
Okay, good. Please turn on your videos, all of you. Where is Siddharth, Rahul? Nikhil is there. Siddharth is not. Yeah, the work done is good. But you taken only very less time. Have anyone noted how much time you taken?
Yeah, 8 or
So
9
we,
minutes.
yeah, 8 and 9 minutes. We
Yes,
told
ma'am.
you that a few points. What is the impact of the issue on the community? and how many people are benefited. That point you are not covered. So whatever the two authors are there, that Mayuri and other person, you are explaining about their profession and what are their ideas in order to build this flood resisting house, which will helpful for the poor people. But you are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
mentioned that how many people are benefited, and you mentioned only existing method. In the existing method, which one they chosen? You list, go to the presentation, go to your PPT. You shown that some existing methods are there. In the existing methods, you wrote what are the flood resisting already existing methods. Among that, the authors, which one they preferred? What solution they took for this flood resisting houses? You are not mentioned that one. Is my question is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
That's clear.
Yeah, go your presentation, go to your PPT. Yeah, in this one you said that these are the 5 different flood resisting methods. In the case
Yes, ma'am.
study, the authors, the two authors, which method they chosen this for the flood resisting houses? They given all these 5 methods, or they chosen any particular method for that
No, ma'am.
problem?
They
Not
only
these 5
gave
methods.
only building model, ma'am.
Model, construction model, ma'am.
Show that slide. Show the slide. This one.
This building model they have given.
Hmm.
And we also searched
Only
for
construction purpose.
how many people benefited, but in nowhere it's showing the list, ma'am.
Okay. In that case study, it is not given how many people are benefited.
No, ma'am.
The author
In
only building model, ma'am.
Not ma'am.
He is an architect, that's why he given this one. But he is not mentioned.
He's an
that,
architect, ma'am.
It's given
Yeah,
in
yeah.
construction.
We also searched in Google, but it didn't show, ma'am.
Okay.
They have proposed only building model, but they have didn't constructed any houses.
I think that you are not that much elaborately explaining about this building model from my point of view. What Ajay sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought.
403, 413, 418, 426, 409, and 4F6. Everybody's contribution is not there. I feel because only 3 students have given the presentation. 3 students they didn't. Maybe they have not participated in literature survey or whatever may be the reasons. Only 3 of you have given the presentation, and you have focused on only what the thing is there in that. But by taking that into consideration, you have not gone through any literature survey. You have not made any literature survey, like in searching in journals. What are the flood resistant houses? Okay, so in journals, there are a lot of journals on this. If you want to see, what is the topic? Flood resisting houses, right?
Flood resistant houses.
Flood resistance.
Any
So flood
questions from
resistant
the
buildings.
audience?
So many papers are also there. So you have not gone through the papers. Okay, at least we require in the last slide your references should be there. In that references, at least because this topic is it is there from or it is very famous topic. So we have lots of papers on this. So at least 10 papers you have to collect and keep it. At least 10 papers. Yes, you type simply. What you will type is flood resistant buildings or flood resistant houses journal. Okay, you will get lots of journals in that. So at least you might have, if you have seen those journals, you might have understood the technical aspects of this. So
We are
no
gone through their
developers,
website, sir.
not their website. I'm talking about you have taken the topic as flood resistance housing, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you have searched any journals and if you have gone through any journals, okay, in that journals you might have found about the technical aspects of how the flood resistant buildings for the poor are being made, okay, at like low cost. What are the design criteria? What is the requirement? Okay, so all these things you might have observed over there. Because you didn't do any literature survey, you have only focused on what is there in that about you have said about those two persons. Only you are focused on them. Okay, at least what you will do is just type in Google about flood resistance buildings journal JOURNALS. Okay, you will get number of journals. You can download them. You can read them. Okay, you can understand the
Okay, sir.
technical aspects in them. Okay, and you refine your PPT and keep all those things and you resubmit it this PPT again. Okay? Because in the last semester, I think, ma'am, civil engineering students have done a project on
Yeah,
earthquake resistant building, right? Is it
yeah,
earthquake
yes, sir.
resistant building?
Earthquake resistant building.
Okay, okay. And that model was really excellent.
Mm.
So you go through the journals, you will find a lot of things. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can get back to us later. So involvement of every student in presentation is very important. Okay. So when you are saying that my friend is going to continue, so that friend should introduce himself. They are not
Mm.
introducing
Yeah, that is missing.
about them. Okay. So you have to do those things. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
reference part that is general papers are missing. So you didn't put more efforts, I think. You see how team one have done it. Their involvement is there. They themselves involved and done. Okay.
Team coordination is there in the
Yes.
team
Yes.
one.
Yeah. It is
Or
missing over here.
is missing in your team. I think you people are not discussed thoroughly about this topic.
Yes. Maybe one
One,
person have
and
prepared it,
yeah,
and rest
I
of
think
them have.
only 2 persons have did some work. Others are just reading the content and they are reading, giving the presentation. See, when you are
You have
giving
to.
the presentation, everyone is reading the points, bullet points, whatever you kept in the PPT slide. Don't read it. Just read one thing and explain orally what you know about it. If you read anything, you read from the slide, then there is no use. You have to know about it. Okay, so if you develop your team coordination and read the content thoroughly and search it and discuss with your team who is the next person, that coordination is missing in your team. Okay,
And
you have to put some of.
don't put
Yes, sir. Sorry,
paragraphs
sir.
in PPT. Don't put paragraphs in PPT. Only bullet points should be there, and you should focus on the bullet points. So it's less than 1 minute. Team three, please be ready. When we log in again, your turn. Any suggestions from anybody? Any other teams? Team one, team three, team four, five, six, seven. Any suggestions to them? You can suggest. Any suggestions you want to give to your other team members? Okay, it's less than 1 minute. If you can